viewers, welcome to Sumi's Magic. Today I am going to prepare chicken satay. Chicken satay is a Malaysian starter. I am going to break this recipe into 3 stages. First, marinating the chicken in a Malaysian spicy mix. Second, grilling them. And third would be preparing the peanut dipping sauce. Let's get into the preparation. Now let's go with the marination. Quarter cup of lemongrass, 5 shallots, 1 inch of ginger and 5 cloves of garlic, red chili powder 1 tablespoon. I have placed turmeric half tablespoon, coriander powder 1 tablespoon, salt is required, and cumin seed half tablespoon, and this is brown sugar 2 tablespoon I have taken. So let's add all these things. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. Also add 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. Finally, here it goes coconut milk, just a little bit for grinding. Now this goes for grinding. Goes into the refrigerator for minimum 4 hours, maximum overnight. Let's make the spicy peanut dipping sauce. I am using roasted and salted peanut. Alternatively, you can use peanut butter, equal quantity of peanut butter to make it simple. Then fish sauce, sesame oil and soy sauce, chili powder, brown sugar, 3 cloves of garlic. Remember, we have added soy sauce and fish sauce, so do mind while you are adding the salt. And finally, in goes the tamarind paste. To run this into chunky paste, I am adding little coconut milk. This now goes in for grinding. There are people who likes to have it with smooth paste. That could be your alternate choice. The crunchy paste is ready. Now this goes into the frying pan, not more than 3 minutes. You can reheat it while you are serving. I am adding the rest of the coconut milk along with the dipping sauce. The peanut dipping sauce is ready to serve with your satay. You can increase or decrease the quantity of chili powder, tamarind pulp and the brown sugar according to your taste. The chicken is marinated and ready to go into the pan for grilling. I am going to use this bamboo sticks for skewering the chicken. I have soaked this in room temperature water for almost an hour, so that this will not get burnt when this goes into the pan for grilling. Now let's skewer the chicken. Grill pan for grilling this chicken, wherein you can use the normal pan. Each side needs to be cooked for a minute, then you can flip the chicken. The chicken satay is ready to be served now. Trust me, you will love it.
Do try this and post your comments. Stay connected, stay healthy. Cheers.